Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Vanessa Pur and I'm happy that you're here because today I would like to show you 3 different outfits during my days in Düsseldorf. Some of you might know that I love to wear leather pants, but not only, and today I would like to show you different kinds of my style, for example with pantyhose. And I bought some new ones at the Königsallee in Düsseldorf. So let's start with those Wolford shopping haul.
I got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me. And he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time. And my heart's beating fast when he's looking like that. Oh, his smile is killing me. It's the way that he moves and the way that he laughs, so I can't get enough. I'm thinking about him all the time. I can't get him off my mind. Oh, I want him to be mine, to be mine. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark, when it's dark. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too.
I love the fact that those pantyhose look like stockings, but they are still a pantyhose. And before I will show you a second look with the pantyhose, I would like to show you my summer dress. All the looks were filmed directly at the Hyatt in Düsseldorf, and that's located in the old harbor. It's called Mediahafen, like Media Harbor. And yeah, I just love the place to take pictures. So let's start with the next one, with the pantyhose and the leather hot pants. And I was just at the breakfast before and then dressed for the pictures and video.
Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning. Didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered.
So I was lucky that I was quite lonely at that time in Düsseldorf, because normally it's quite crowded, but it was Sunday morning, so maybe that was the reason. But in fact, you have to be before breakfast if you want to get that space alone. So right now I'm in Hamburg, the sun is already setting, and the Queen Mary 2 is at the harbor, so maybe I will watch the departure later on. I hope you enjoyed those looks and the video. Let me know in the comments, and also give me a thumbs up. So subscribe to my channel and ring the bell, and we will see us in the next video. So bye bye from Hamburg. Tschüss!